इंजीनियरिंग करना है, एग्जाम दे दिया है, रैंक भी आ गई, लेकिन अब सबसे बड़ा सवाल है काउंसलिंग. दैट इज वेयर जॉइंट सीट एलोकेशन अथॉरिटी जोसा कम्स इनटू पिक्चर. अगर आपने ये समझ लिया तो हाफ ऑफ द बैटल यू हैव ऑलरेडी वन. नाउ व्हाट इज जोसा? जोसा काउंसलिंग एक सेंट्रलाइज सिस्टम है जो इंडिया के टॉप इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेजेस में एडमिशन अलॉट करता है. ये काउंसलिंग हैंडल करती है बेसिकली एडमिशंस फॉर इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी IITs, नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजीज NITs और कुछ गवर्नमेंट फंडेड टेक्निकल इंस्टीट्यूट्स GFTIs. मतलब एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म से इंडिया के मोस्ट प्रेस्टिजियस इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेजेस. सबसे बड़ा सवाल है प्रोसेस क्या है, कैसे काम करता है. प्रोसेस सिंपल लगता है बट थोड़ा स्मार्ट होना पड़ता है. आप अपनी रैंक के हिसाब से चॉइसेस फिल करते हो, कॉलेजेस प्लस ब्रांच. जोसा मल्टीपल राउंड्स में सीट एलोकेट करता है. आपके पास बेसिकली 3 ऑप्शंस होते हैं: फ्रीज, सीट एक्सेप्ट कर लो; फ्लोट, बेटर कॉलेजेस; स्लाइड, सेम कॉलेजेस पर बेटर ब्रांच चाहिए. ये प्रोसेस यूजली 6 राउंड्स तक चलता है और हर राउंड के बाद कैसे भी कभी भी आपका गेम चेंज हो सकता है. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द रियल गोल, कॉलेजेस. थ्रू जोसा you can get into Indian Institute of Technology Delhi, Indian Institute of Technology Bombay, National Institute of Technology Trichy and Indian Institute of Information Technology Hyderabad and many more top tier institutes. तो ये सिर्फ कॉलेजेस नहीं है, ये करियर लॉन्च पैड्स हैं जो आपकी लाइफ बदल सकते हैं. हम बहुत सारे काउंसलिंग वेबसाइट्स पे जाते हैं बट द क्वेश्चन इज हाउ इज जोसा डिफरेंट. जोसा कैसे अलग है? तो जोसा इज अ सिंगल प्लेटफॉर्म. ये अलग अलग, आपको अलग अलग प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे जाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, अलग अलग फॉर्म्स भरने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. इट इज अ वन सिस्टम, मल्टीपल टॉप कॉलेजेस. सीट अलॉटमेंट प्योरली रैंक प्लस प्रेफरेंस पे होता है. इंडिया का नंबर 1 हिडन गेम है. फ्रीज, फ्लोट एंड स्लाइड, मतलब आपको पूरा कंट्रोल मिलता है अपनी चॉइसेस पे. एंड कंपेयर टू अदर काउंसलिंग सिस्टम्स, जोसा इज मोर स्ट्रक्चर्ड, मेरिट बेस्ड एंड नेशनली ट्रस्टेड. तो ये सिस्टम एलिमिनेट करता है कंफ्यूजन और ब्रिंग करता है सिर्फ क्लैरिटी और क्लैरिटी. अब व्हाई डज इट मैटर? सच ये है कि जोसा सिर्फ काउंसलिंग नहीं, इट इज द ब्रिज बिटवीन योर रैंक एंड योर ड्रीम कॉलेज. गलत choices, regret, but smart choices, life-changing opportunities for you. So when you're filling your choices, don't just fill your choices randomly. Understand the system. Play it smart. Because JOSA सिर्फ seat allocate नहीं करता है. It decides where your next 4 years begin and where your future can go. So this is how the homepage of Seat Secure, the app, will look like. It is basically very clean, very simple, not very difficult to use, so you can easily go through it. Everything in this homepage is divided into 3 clear sections, and you will mainly notice the seat predictor, the AI counseling chatbot, and build your own counseling list. As you can see here, build your own JOSA counseling list. So these 3 are your main tools, the main tools that you have to use while browsing through the Seat Secure website. So I'll drive you through them one by one. Let's start with the seat predictor. So seat predictor is probably the first thing that most of the students would use. So when you'll go to, basically you can enter your details, your exam rank, category, gender, and maybe your preferred institutes. Now what happens is interesting. The system uses previous JOSA trends and data to predict which colleges you are likely to get, which branches are possible, and how strong your chances are. So this is very important because lots of students are either overestimate or underestimate. Basically they overestimate or underestimate their options. So Seat Predictor gives you a reality check, not to limit you, but basically to guide you. So let's just go through it. So basically if I'll enter this, and I'll, for example, my JEE rank is 5,000 if I'll put, and I want Uttar Pradesh, gender female, predict colleges. So based on my rank, it has predicted these colleges for me. Similarly, if I would want to build my JOSA counseling list, all I have to do is just put it there, write my rank, for example 2000, and get my counseling list. See, this is what it will. What degree programs are you open to? And now when I click on find my colleges, see, these are the colleges it has given me. Now let us move to the next part, the most crucial part, that is build your counseling list. Okay, so this is where most of the people, they make mistakes. They either randomly fill colleges, copy someone else's list, or go purely based on type. So SeatSecure helps to create which branch is better. So it doesn't give you generic answers. It basically, AI responds with a very personalized guidance, and it tries to adapt based on your situation. For students who don't have access to expert counseling, this can actually make a big difference for you. See, it has given me everything for CSE, for medical, for core. So you can ask anything to our AI chat counselor and it will guide you. If you want to explore, or if you do explore the about section, the whole idea behind SeatSecure is simple. It is to reduce confusion, make counseling transparent, and help students take informed decisions. So because right now most students are just guessing and hoping for the best, so it is very simple for you to just go through SeatSecure and basically it will guide you. Now what makes the whole SeatSecure app different? It is basically, it combines data with AI. You can play with this, genuinely play with this website. Instant results, real past data, and it is free to use. You can talk to AI counselor. You can actually do whatever you feel like. But remember, no one can replace your own research completely. So use this tool very, very smartly. And at the end of the day, counseling is about choosing the right path. And platforms like SeatSecure are just there to make that journey a little clearer. So just make sure you go through this website very thoroughly. We also have reviews where people have written about, the students have written who found their seat, about what experience they had with their the app. So do go through it and do explore. So before you go and start filling your choices randomly, take a minute. Head over to SeatSecure AI and actually explore it for yourself. Check your predicted colleges, build your counseling list, and talk to the AI counselor. Because one smart decision right now can save you from a lot of regret later. Don't guess your future. Plan it.